Okay, now, just this right here. Okay, now, this chewy right here, this big one you can put on.
You know what, guys? I watched the sunrise this morning, and it was so pretty that I wanted to write a poem about it.
Hey, now that's a nice idea, Telly.
Yeah, the only trouble is I'm not too good at rhyming. I couldn't think of any words that rhyme with sun.
Hey, well, you know, Telly, sometimes I write a poem, every now and then. Why don't you come over to the computer? Maybe we can come up with something.
Oh no, the computer.
Okay, now first we'll put in the disc here.
Yeah.
And then we turn it on. Now, we're going to put in the word sun. That's the one we want to rhyme, right?
Yeah.
Okay. S-U-N. Sun. Now, when I press this key right here, it should pop up on the screen. Sun. There it is, right there.
Oh, there it is.
Huh? Okay, now I press it. How about run?
Yeah.
You got an idea? Let's see. Can you make up a poem that rhymes the word sun and run? Okay, go ahead.
I like to run in the sun.
Wow.
You like to run in the sun? Hey, very good, yeah.
Fun, run, and sun. She runs all three of those
For
words.
real? Wow, that's pretty good. Now, what other word rhymes with sun? Let's see. How about one?
Yeah.
One rhymes with sun. Can you come up with a poem with one and sun?
I've got one.
Yeah?
Everyone likes the sun.
Ah, very good. Yeah, that's a good word. Let's see, what's another word? That's a good one. What another word?
Done.
Done rhymes with sun. Let's see, what's a poem? Sun, done.
Wait a minute, Louise. Wait. You said run and fun before, and now you said done. I think I got one that uses all those.
Really?
It's fun to run in the sun. Now, everyone, my poem is done.
Ellie, that's amazing. You had them all in there. Hey, wait a minute. Let's put all this in the computer so that we can save it, okay?
Louise gave me the word.
In the computer, okay. Let's see. That was the first one you said was,
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters R and X, and by the number 6. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.